Why aren't more people talking about this massive $CTO airdrop? I'm here to spill the beans. The SatoshibApp is dropping a whopping $9.45 billion CTO tokens, and you do not want to miss out. This exclusive airdrop kicks off on July 11th and runs until September 11th. So, how do you get in on the action? It's simple. First, head to the description and click the link to install SatoshibApp. Then, join my Telegram channel and group for step-by-step instructions on how to start mining $CTO. Easy, right? But wait, there's more. $CTO isn't just any token. It's packed with potential. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just diving into the crypto world, $CTO offers exciting opportunities. And SatoshibApp? It's your ultimate hub for the latest airdrops and crypto news. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, start mining, and secure your share of $9.45 billion CTO tokens now. Hit the link in the description and join the crypto revolution. Don't miss out. The future of crypto is just a click away.